What's up, guys? Trader Joe. Got the Sunday open here, and we're about to open up here in 30 seconds. See if we get any signals. We're just going to trade a 50K eval. We're not going to trade our Fundo accounts. Those are only for New York session trading. But here we go. We are live, and we are up a ton of points from the close. And the market is pushing like crazy. Honestly, this looks way too volatile on NASDAQ to trade. We literally opened at 550 and pushed 200 points on that first candle. We gapped up to 630, so we got a massive gap from close to open, followed by a massive pump here. See if my boy I think TG's coming on later. So we got, we'll count this as candle 1. This is candle 2. If we get pull back to there on ES, we'll take it, risking the low of candle 2. So we'll get put a stop there. 10 points. One lot is, this is 500. We'll put 3 lots on it since this is an eval, and that's roughly our 50%. So we'll see if we get it. Markets are, I mean, after that sell-off on Friday, this Asian session's looking long duck dong. See if we get an entry. I mean, we got a little bit of a pullback. We're going to pull this up a little bit. At 58 was looking pretty juicy, but yeah, I don't know. It's crazy. 30-40 point move in 1 minute, plus this massive gap up. Looks like we're getting another breakout possibly. Let's see if we go above this high. No? Okay. Lower high. Now this whole thing could be a trap, but we'll see. Gonna wait here. Got these 3 candles. We got this 50% of this candle 2's open to candle 3's low. About 50%. To make 3 G's and pass this, we would need 20 points, so we need 69. No, 69 is 10 points. Alright, we'll see if this well, the risk and the gap aren't going to change much here. But what we see is if the entry candle to bring our stop to break even gives us a break above this candle's high. So get a break, and I think we need 20 points, which means you need to run to 70. We'll see. You can see this is quite a bit of, oh, look at that. Respect, I think we'll go to the candle low if we close respecting this entry. Respect is just a wick through the entry. So this, I wouldn't have considered this. I mean, there's some respect shown here, but not enough for me to move the stop up. If this closes there, yep. So we're gonna move the candle. We're gonna move the risk to 9 points. It's still a lot of risk. 10 points, 3 contracts. Break above this high though. And then I think we're going for 20 points, right? So that'd be sell limit. Zoom in. There we go, sell limit. Going for 70. So this is the trade. We got the respect. If we get the closure above 58.75, it's nice if you can get it on the next candle, but if you don't, that's fine. We can wait for it too. Keep our risk here until we get the closure above 60. Closes above 60 but doesn't take us out. 10 points is 500, right? So we should be plus 1500 at 10 points and plus 3000. So we'll see. If we get a close above that, we go to break even. So far, it's kind of respecting that level. But it's also not dropping. I think it's going to push. Waiting for this push above 59.25. Need the bid to go above 59.25, and then we need the time to close. Close, definitely close. I don't think we would have been able to handle. Well, maybe, I don't know. I mean, we kind of gotta pretty good entry on NASDAQ as well. I just don't know. Yeah, there was like 40 points or something there. Still no close. Waiting to see. I mean, waiting to see if we can get a close above 60, and then we'll just free roll this trade. Sure is trying to push. The reality is, yeah, this eval would probably be crashed if it does send me into loss, because if this was see if this little dip gets bought up, or is it gonna start pushing down into this gap? I think we just go break even. You know what? This was, even though it wicked this and didn't close above it, I just don't know that this account is going to have a lot of drawdown left in it if I let it. It probably won't. It probably won't, actually. Yeah, we'll stick to the rules. We don't get to go to break even unless it breaks the high. We might lose this account. We might have to buy another one. Big deal. We'll wait for it to get above, close above 60 before we go to break even. This is a good sign. Swept this kind of two lows of these 1 minute candles. Could not stay below. Pushing back up. Kind of use this same middle of this big engulfing fair value gap, whatever you want to call it, candle. See if we can get 70. Push above 59.50 will cause me to move the trade to break even. So let's see what we get here. We're hanging in there. We're not being here we go. It's looking like the push. It didn't want to come before. Now it's coming. I'm gonna say this is it's enough to put us in break even, because it's clearly pushing with a little more momentum now. Very close, very close. Gonna wait, gonna be patient. The close was above, just like I thought it would be. So now we'll just hold it, the break even plus a couple ticks. I think that's, I mean, the account's almost crashed if we do find it getting this close to the exit because of trailing drawdown. But trailing drawdown is what it is. You know, we got to deal with it. Once these accounts are funded, trailing drawdown really won't have much of an effect over me. A little bit of a doji there. Had this nice push off of this low. See if we get the final. We don't even need it to break these highs. If we get it, we get that target with 3 contracts. I don't think we would have got it with 5, honestly. I think this would have pulled our account. Maybe we would have got it. I don't know. I don't know if this would have got too close and then stopped out. It was just too much sideways. Very well could have, because going up this high and then coming back, that's like stop out city. So even with 3 contracts, it was probably close when it did this from up here. But it's, the account's hung in there. We're 5 points away. Let's see if we get it. Up right around the 2K mark. We need another 1,000 though for the pass. Might come back and tap out our break even, but we'll see. Just gonna wait it out. We waited for this entry, now we're gonna wait and see which exit the market gives us. Things are definitely pushing in our favor. Normally you wouldn't think you could get a 20-point trade in Asia, but with the volatility in the markets that has come back, I mean, 20 points should be easy-ish. $22.50, yeah, the account would basically bust at break even. Which makes me like tempted to take some profit if it does come back here, but at the same time, I'm just gonna wait. Wait to see if it either is gonna pass, or wait to see. It really will come all the way back and hit this. So about 6 points to go. Goodness, and now my OBS is going. My OBS is going out, and then all of a sudden I can't see my couldn't see my Tradebait either. This thing went all the way up to 67 while it was frozen. 68 even, maybe, not quite. Yeah, might have went 68.50. Wow, I was just like ticks away from the exit there, it looks like. I don't know, this thing looks like it's freezing up too. I think my OBS is giving me the business. Huh. Well, if OBS is freezing, then oh no, this is moving. No, now it's freezing. But this was definitely close enough that break even's a stop out anyway. So we're basically getting out for a profit or losing this account. So let's see what fate decides. We're on a pretty good we've been on a pretty good run of passing these accounts. If we pass this one, it'll be our third in a row. Anything can happen though. Yeah. It's pushing. Profits are evaporating. We'll see if it recovers. Looks like NASDAQ's recovering a little bit already. ES is trying as well. We're literally right in the middle. Right in the middle. Yep. Been in this trade going on, let's see, from 06 till 28, so 22 minutes. Yeah, if this was my funded accounts, even trading one contract would have been very easy just to get out of profit on even this little move right here. Getting in right there and then boom. Yeah, getting in and then getting out. We'll see if this recovers. Getting closer to my my wipeout, but if bulls decide to save this thing, yeah, and then had I gone for 1-to-1 at 2,500 and then just try to get that last 500 on a different trade, might have been easier. I don't know with how sideways this thing's moving. We'll see though. We came like 4 points away. Looks like we got a little bit of divergence on the NASDAQ. It didn't make a new low here. See if we can get this to push to a new high. $12 points feels very far away with how small these candles are, though. Yeah, a little bit unlucky that I didn't get out when it was literally at 68.50, which was like very close. But we'll see. We're still in. Anything can happen. Getting a breakout here. Just need some green candles to stack. Get some green candle stackage. It's only 10 points. Only 10 points. See if we can get some green candles to stack. Very slow market right now. I kind of thought with how this moved, this would have pushed. Much easier, but see, we got 10 points. Yeah. Oh man, and then quick rejection there. Back into the high 50s again. I mean, trading around here. Man, it's literally 50-50. This is literally the hardest part of trading. Is watching it do. The decision of the outcome. And all you can do is watch. Looks frozen again. Trying to lift the offers here again. I mean, with how tight it's getting, definitely could be a draw back into this gap for sure. With how hard this pushed, I really thought the drift would be higher, but you know, it could go either way, and it's really going nowhere right now, which we'll see what this thing decides. But yeah, it's really just drifting, and I don't know if we're gonna get the favorable drift. It's like so back and forth. Very tempting to get out of. Yeah, I mean, a lot of rejection happening. Yeah, I don't know though. I don't really know that it's worth saving. Let me go see. I don't want to log in. Yeah, I'll do that on another. NASDAQ just swept this low and then recovered. Maybe. Now it's pushing. Yeah, now it's recovered again. Yeah, the drift is definitely lower here, so it takes me out, it takes me out. We'll wait and see though. I mean, we swept the low twice, so see if this thing decides it wants to push, or if it's just going to keep drifting lower. Starting to look like it might want to push. Now we just need to take out these highs and we'd have a winning but if we sweep the low on the other hand, then we're cooked. Hmm.
Wow, madami pa pala dyan, no? Nakurtina! Ito na maplansya. Do you want to choose a baby gift for Rachel?
Not right now. I'm streaming.
Oh, okay.
But we might be on the final. Might be on the final push down here. Only 375 left. Not looking too likely the Bulls are gonna save this. On like the way off chance they do, I guess I don't want to pull it, but now we got that high to contend with, this high to contend with, and this one. Hmm. 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 I mean, if this thing somehow found its way to not stop out for a loss and actually go to this target. That would be kind of like how the chart looks better actually without Bollinger Bands. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4 ticks. From a loss. We haven't broke 58 though, so we're not out of the woods of this lower high yet. Okay, we broke 58. Now the next highs to break are 61. Oh, and we're already pushing that. Touched it anyway. Did the wick test at 58. Let's see. Looks like it doesn't want to respect the wicks. Man. It does, and it is respecting the 61s. That's not a good sign. And it's not respecting the lows. It's disrespecting them. Not a good sign. Okay, lows.
I just went to a house and it said you were in the
Yeah, not good. I mean, I kind of think if we do break the low, which it ain't over till it's over, but we just pulled back to 53, not really respecting anything for sure yet. The only way you would know that this is a higher low is if we actually punch this. So we may have respected these lows. Like I said though, the only way you know if this is real respect, because if this high gets punched, I mean, it's looking decent, but now it's right in the middle. We'll see. If this is a lower high, we're probably cooked on the long.
Yeah, me too. I'm leaving. Hey, Brooklyn, what do you want to play? Wait, no, it's my turn.
So we were what? 2 points?
It's my turn.
Yeah. Definitely got a lot of contracting going on. From these lows to these lows to now this. These highs to these highs. To what's becoming an apex. I don't know if the draw is going to be higher, but sideways is not a good sign for going higher. It's usually a better sign of a reversal. But I mean, we're still not out, so I'm just gonna let it play out. I mean, we played our entry here. This trade will be a loss if it's break even, since it did go super high. If it does get a push first before it goes lower, it definitely could. That's why I won't give up on this, because it definitely could get some bullish action before it dumps, but there's not like a ton of market makers that would be manipulating the market right now, since it is Asia. That's why you're getting a lot of tiny candles, ton of just sideways, which is like no draw. Which usually no draw tends to mean negative draw. Yeah, bulls are not looking good here either. Still pushing lower highs. Not that they can't miraculously come in and buy, but it'd be more likely in a spot like this that there's a bunch of people in a similar place to me that may be forced to sell. like I said, I thought maybe this, since this closed so weak and opened so strong, a good entry would play out more likely in my favor, but it's all probabilities. I was somewhat right off this entry. I just looking to pass the count and not just take like 5 points or something, which is probably what I would have done in a funded account. 5 points would have been plenty, especially risking 20 or whatever. Even 10 points would have been plenty. Much tougher though when you gotta go for 20 points. Move a little closer, maybe it'll be more attracted to it. Well, let's see. I mean, this thing is really consolidated down to like a point to where it's like, who's gonna blink? Did the shorts already get knocked out and now it's decided it's pretty neutral right here? And then so what? It's gonna pull into this to knock out anybody that got long in here before it goes long?
How do I do something?
That's a real possibility. Not really super confident this thing's gonna. Definitely got the BB squeeze on though. Definitely got the squeeze. Yeah, had a squeeze there. The punch there.
Josh, come here.
Bit of a squeeze there. Decided to punch lower there. This was a bit of a squeeze with a punch. Bit of a squeeze with a punch.
Joshua! Josh! How do I do something? How do I do something? Josh, come down!
Oh, we got a new.
Come down!
Janelle, stop yelling! Now we had the open of the new hour. Saw a little tiny blip of volatility, but not much. Not much risk left on the trade here. There it goes. Order filled. Yep, order filled. Which, like I said, this pattern
He's sleeping.
really has me leaning towards the downside. I'm pretty sure you can't do anything though once this is, yeah, it's order rejected, even though it, oh, because it's the 100. Yeah. Looks like we got 4 days left on eval, so
Hey guys, look at me.
so this one we're gonna have to cancel.
Joshua, how do I do brain rot? How do I do brain Yeah, that's my favorite game. I'll need more money, just wait.
Yeah, I'm leaning towards this thing going into this gap. So now that we've kind of pushed this low, been going sideways. Let's see if we got a little fair value gap there. Probably gonna have to refresh this page actually,
You guys, look at me.
and then see if
Hey guys, look at me.
Yeah, let's just hit it. And then 20 points would be buy limits there, right at the bottom of that candle. See what's up. I mean, this thing is still
I
overall
have to go to the bathroom.
sideways.
Since when?
So now we're trading 200 a point. We would only need 15 points, which would be 37. Call it 53. Maybe I'll sell another one up here. If it'll take, I don't know. Oh, it did. So 5, we only need 10 points. So that'd be 43, 50. Something like that. Getting some green candle stacking like you were hoping for all the way, ever since way back here, but
Yeah, you should do that. Wait, did I do the powerful one? How did you do that? How did you do that, Brooklyn? Brooklyn, how did you do that?
Give me your belt. In your clothes. Give me the clothes.
Showered?
Brooklyn, how do you do that? Brooklyn, how do you do that?
Well, you do have a fair value gap right here.
Brooklyn, how do you do that?
56 will mean it's inverted.
Brooklyn, how do you do that?
Currently being respected.
Brooklyn! 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 I need more money. I need to do that for investment. If I keep it down. Look. I can almost do it. Wait, guys, look at me. Guys, look at me. Guys, everybody look at me because I think it's so cool.
My NQ chart just disappeared. Let's see. There it is.
Hey, don't stop. Yeah. You got. Do the Brooklyn, do the ballerina cappuccino. Oh, just click the top and then pick one. You click the top and then,
Battery died. This thing is still showing possible lower high, so we'll see if it's
yeah.
in reverse like it's been showing the tendency to do. Like every time it's pushing up, it's just coming back down. The next low to be really challenged would probably be this gap.
Yep, a dog is one. Brooklyn, how do you get out of your seat? She got him pick. Brooklyn, how do you get out of your seat? Brooklyn. Joshua, how do you get out of your Joshua? How do
Can you guys go in the room and close the door?
How do you get out of your seat? I don't know. Brooklyn, how do you get out of your seat? Oh, that's cool. I'm so out of my seat.
Actually, I think 10 points would be
I can.
yeah, if it gets to 63, I'm probably smoked.
Dad, I'm good in this game. But I'll just do one more before I go.
I think it needs to go 12 points, which would be somewhere down there. Yeah, but we can see some,
Wait, it's my turn now.
this fair value gap just got straight disrespected. So did this one. So now you got two fair value gaps disrespected.
It's my turn to pick a game. And I'm gonna pick something so
Now we'll see if it's actually headed.
Well, I know the perfect game. What? Did you test one? What happened?
Quite a bit of bounce off of that. Hmm. See, I guess that's the difference. It's like the short side gives you these crazy bounces. The long side gives you like a slow, painful death. Sometimes, a lot of times.
Guys, it's my turn to pick a game.
Let's see. I mean,
My turn. I can pick whatever I want for what game.
based on what I'm seeing, definitely a little more short bias than I was before.
What about I would die? Did I have to fight each other? Guys, join me. I got
Oh, and now I probably only have 2,000 in drawdown after this. What is this? Because I'm trading
come on, it's just hide and seek.
250 a point.
It's hide or die. Yeah. You wanna
That was
play?
500.
Join me. I'm in my private server, so only us will be.
Might have been 700 to the good, which means I can only go about 1,800 to the bad.
Yeah, me too. I love playing with my sister and you. You know, join. Oh. Me too. I played it with Janelle.
Yeah, there it is.
Janelle.
There's the stop out.
No, office.
Mm,
Uh-oh. You will never find me. Hello. You just passed right by me. You just passed me again. You just passed me. I just passed you.
oh yeah, and then you had this fair value gap
Oh no, oh no.
off of the bounce. Straight respect. 10 points. You'd have to go like 6 contracts to win on 10 points. But that one would have worked out pretty well. Got a small one here. Another small one here. I would say I'm not very well strategy focused right now though, so I'm gonna call it. And markets are pretty sideways overall. So
I'm a big baby. You know I found the light. Hello.
I don't know if anybody's watching, but I'm just streaming to try and keep myself honest mainly, and learn from my mistakes, which being transparent helps me minimize mistakes. And now, yeah, I can kind of see what I'm doing, so I'm gonna call it. I'll see you guys in the morning. Maybe I'll try and pass another eval then. I still got my 2 funded accounts. I got those 2 accounts. These ones are blown, these evaluations. I'm just trying to add a 3rd one, like I said. Followed my strategy on this trade that didn't work out. I just like shorted this move randomly, which didn't work out, so yeah, since I was doing some random shorting, not actually looking for a quality entry, I'm gonna call it. And there really isn't any quality entries on this current. Like maybe where you swept these lows and then created this fair value gap. Maybe this was one of the better entries, but I don't know, my bias was more short because this is just going sideways. I don't really want to gamble on my bias, so that's why I'm going to kill it. See ya tomorrow morning, New York Open.